Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did this video yesterday showing the gentleman how to make the squiggles a little bit thicker so they will not just burn away. And I did them one section at a time. I started thinking you could do the whole thing at one time. His page is 24 by 24, so we can just double click on the rectangle tool and it puts a box around our rectangle or around the whole box. Then you can smart fill the outside. I nudged it over. I'm going to left click, right click, go up to arrange, break curve apart to get rid of our rectangle. I'm actually going to nudge this over one more time. Then take it, go to Effects, Contour, Contour 0.1 in black. We've got red so you can tell the difference. And now we've got a thicker squiggle. Go up to Arrange, break Contour apart, grab the inside, which will be the red, and nudge it out of the way. Now our squiggles are thicker. We've lost our interior letters, but you can use the Smart Fill tool. And this time we're going to specify no fill, but we're going to specify a hairline in red. And we are going to fill that in and nudge it over. This will be a lot quicker. You need to do all the voids and all the section. Now it did make our M a little bit thicker. And then you could take the other sections of the M and do the same thing with the Smart Fill tool to give it the M definition. We might have to zoom in here to get these other parts. Then the center, and I think we're good to go. Now we've lost some center parts, but that's just discretion whether you want that, and you would. So we'll just go through here and get these center parts. And because we've contoured, those parts are going to be thicker. And I think we have it. Now it has lost a little bit of the definition. Let's do that one. Do that one. It's still a good looking squiggle. Whoop. Hit F4 on the keyboard and get it back. Now this line's a little bit thicker maybe, but we're not talking about much. Then take your Smart Fill tool. Whoop. We've got to change it back to specify black, specify none, and fill it in. Now our squiggles are quite a bit thicker, and you can left click and right click and have that hairline. Did it in a lot less time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.